Hi, I'm Sonja. I work in HR for Jigsaw. Do I really look like that?
Hi, I'm Sonja. I work in HR for Jigsaw.
How have I felt during coronavirus? I feel like I'm getting older and life is moving past really, really slow.
I just don't know how much longer we can do this.
One of my biggest challenges is being so far away from home and being away from family and friends is really difficult. I'm not sure when I'll be able to go back home again, and that's the scariest thing for me. My dog Simba helps me cope with being so far away from family and friends. I've had him for about 10 years now. I got him when I was in college, and then I took him with me to Australia, where I went traveling and lived for a couple of years. And from there, we came to Ireland. And yeah, he's my one constant reminder of home. The first thing I'm going to do when this is all over is fly to Texas and give my niece and nephews the biggest hug of their lives. Then I'm going to go to a beach in Mexico. I'm going to accidentally drop my phone in the water. I'm going to disconnect for about 2 weeks. And I will hope that I never hear the words COVID, coronavirus, or lockdown ever again.